Early childhood teachers from Palm Beach County attended brand new technology-focused STEAM courses at the Institute of Excellence in Early Care and Education. The first course was Computational Thinking for Pre-Kindergarten. The teachers started out doing hand-clapping activities that connect patterns and steps of algorithms with playful classroom activities. Another activity the teachers experienced involved a block-building challenge to reinforce giving detailed instructions. One teacher was the builder and the other was the architect. The architect used a picture of a structure built out of blocks and gave detailed directions for the builder to recreate the structure with only verbal instructions. In Session 2, the teachers learned how to program Bee-Bots using directional commands to move from one spot to another. The teachers practiced programming the Bee-Bots using the learning mats just like their children will back at their sites. They were counting out the number of steps and deciding where they wanted the Bee-Bot to go. The second course was Technology-Based Manipulatives with Osmo kits and tablets. Session 1 involved using the Osmo Words application and letter tiles. Osmo has a mirror that goes over the camera on the tablet to identify if the correct letter is being placed in front of the tablet. Teachers can create their own custom albums and word lists for their children to reinforce their understanding of letters and spelling. In Session 2, the teachers focused on math applications including Osmo numbers and Osmo tangrams. Teachers used the Osmo number tiles and counting tiles for the counting and adding activities and the Osmo shapes for tangrams. These activities will benefit the children at their sites with counting and adding as well as color and shape recognition. The teachers had a lot of fun during these technology-based trainings and are excited to implement the Bee-Bots and Osmo kits with their children back at their sites. STEAM Preschool is part of the Institute of Excellence in Early Care and Education with Palm Beach State College. Please visit us at our website at palmbeachstate.edu/IEECE.